Kenny, great start to the season. What did you make of your race today?
I mean, it was a good race. It was a nail biter, and I feel like I have a lot more to improve. My block starts have been really good this year, but I didn't get to really show it in that race. I think my first few steps was me stumbling. But that's a saying that I pushed out, so I just got to clean it up for the next race, and this year's going to be electrifying.
Oblique and Akeem were right behind you. Tell me about how much they pushed you to that time, please.
You said what?
How much did they push you today?
I mean, they pushed me a lot. I mean, I know Kingston and Oblique, very good starters, so I knew that they were going to get the jump on me, so I just had to make sure to reel them in. And that's what I did. I mean, I couldn't see them, but as you can see, I was just fighting out there to just get the win.
Jamaican colors give you good luck.
You saw what?
Jamaican colors.
Oh yeah, it's Jamaican colors. So I wanted to show some respect to Jamaica, so that's why it has the green, black, and yellow. And also, you see design with the it's from The Legend of Zelda. It's a video game that I used to play when I was a kid. And the hero, his name is Link, and he ends up turning into a wolf. So the wolf here is just a representation of me showing my inner strength. And that's what happened today, and I got the win.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
What was it to win your first Grand Slam?
I think it was important. It was important just because all the training that I put in the off season, to actually see it go to fruition and see it's been paying off. Like I said, my block start wasn't perfect, but this was a huge confidence booster for me because I know what I can do, and I'm going to do it this year.
And you said yesterday how Grand Slam was good for track and field, so you needed to show up and give something to them.
Yeah, I mean, Michael Johnson's giving us an opportunity to try to promote our sport in a different way, and if we do our part, they're going to do their part. So that's all I'm here for.
How is your experience on the first day of Grand Slam?
I love it. I mean, the fans of Jamaica, they're electrifying. I know tomorrow's going to be even better. So just this little taste, and hoping to get more from it.
When you're entering this race, how does the feeling compare? Does it feel like a Diamond League? Does it feel like a championship, or what does it feel like to you?
I mean, to me, it just feels like another race. I mean, it's Grand Slam, but at the end of the day, if I put so much stock in it, I'm gonna be nervous, and I'll try to do something I'm not supposed to do. So I just treat it like any other race. If you want comparison, I can't really give one because Grand Slam is different, actually.
And in terms of your training, do you approach the season differently at all because you're racing some really big guys early on for serious cash?
I mean, we just do the same thing we do every year. I mean, I'm going to compete against these guys later in the season, so if I had to compete against them early in the season, it's no big deal. I just got to keep on doing what my coach tells me to do, and I should be able to go towards the right direction and get the win.
How did the track feel today?
Huh?
How did the track feel?
Oh, the track is nice. Like I said, I didn't have the perfect race, so I know I could have ran way faster than that, but I'm just happy to get the win.
It seemed like you were very composed, even your form looked like it wasn't breaking at all late in the race.
Yeah, I mean, like I said, I've trusted my technique and my coach, and I put all the hard work in, so there's no reason for me to be too excited or get too nervous. If I just do what I'm doing in practice, I should be fine.
What was the atmosphere like for you competing in Jamaica here?
The atmosphere?
Yeah.
Oh, here?
Yeah.
I was just waiting, just anticipating just to get on the track, So just the emotions are high, and just can't wait to get on the track. And now we finally broke the ice because this is my opener too. So yeah.
Did it feel good racing against the Jamaicans on soil? How was that?
Yeah, it feels good. I mean, this is home turf for them, and for me to come into their territory and get a win, it's a good feeling. It's a big compliment. Thank you.